Yo, that car is ridiculous, bro. We got Tyler. We got the AMG.
Putting 89 in this motherfucker.
We're putting E85 for the
89 ethanol free.
The guy is broke, but we're about to hit Brickell. We about to take some pictures. We about to make some noise. It's gonna be a good night. And now we put up his window and we lose the Yeah, you should probably do the same thing as him.
Yeah. This guy's in the way. It would be cool if we could park him like this.
Bro's hiding behind the fucking... Yeah, I'll leave. Well, you just saw spot number 1 was successful. Spots number 2 and 3 though. We got the Corvette behind us. We're in the AMG. And we're literally at the Heat Stadium. And we were supposed to go to spot number 3 here. Closed off, some poor planning by all of us. But it's all good. Because we going to spot number 4. And then number 5. And then we're eating burgers. I'm waiting on the burger. Like, we're literally going through the player exit right now. Like if we were just like in the Miami Heat type shit. Right, Tyler?
Yes, sir. We are players.
Oh, you're definitely a player.
Well, I'm not a player.
Definitely a player. But this is as Miami as it gets, not gonna lie.
Just go home and do a line, bro. I don't even want to take pictures.
All those spots you've gone to are closed, bro. Try which one's tougher?
What's wrong with you, bro? Jim makes you gay.
That camera never recorded. Oh, it's recording now. Okay, fuck. Well, in that note, we finished flicking up. Now we're about to go cut up everywhere. No, we're not. I'm playing. We are very civilized drivers. Eat some burger. Time to eat some burger.